Hello everyone. Today I am going to describe the topic seed production area, and actually these are the natural forest area, or sometime uh, the older plantation, those are being converted or being changed into the natural forests, or it is generally made up of or having vigorously growing and phenotypically superior tree is uh, with very good stocking, and they are maintained or managed for continuous supply of quality seeds. And further, these seed production areas are upgraded by the thinning of poorer phenotypes from among these uh, vigorously growing uh, genotypes. Okay. Uh, Genetic gain generally obtained through these stands are considered about 5 to 10%, and these are considered as reliable source of certain gene quality until the seed orchard come into production. As we know, these are prior step of seed orchard, or it is also a well known fact that seed orchards are come into existence only after a very long process. Firstly we have to select plus tree, then we have to go for progeny testing, and finally we will have the elite tree, and seed orchard is the plantation of the propagules from these elite trees only. Okay. And elite trees are considered as phenotypically as well as genotypically superior genotypes or individuals, as these are plus trees. Then among the plus trees, one elite tree would be selected after that progeny trial. Further, these SPAs are the stage prior to the formation of seed orchard, as mentioned in earlier slide, and it is also assumed that the genetic improvement through these stands depend on the quality of their formation and on the characters those are under consideration um, during the formation of these stands. So whether we are opted or retaining the trees on the basis of their height only, or on the basis of their diameter, or on the basis of volume, or various other desirabilities as disease resistancy, insect resistancy, adverse climatic conditions, adverse resistancy, or various other plus characters, those are under consideration. So that will decide that what will be the uh, improvement pattern in these stands in due course. Although it is mentioned that 5 to 10% genetic gain is possible, but since the trees in these stands are generally not subjected to progeny testing, as these are natural forests, thus the real value of genetic gain is not known. It may be more than the 5 to 10, or it may be sometime less than this value. Okay. Then these seed production areas should be located in the best natural forest area, or older plantations with good stocking and health, as mentioned in other slide, because among all the desirable trees we have to uh, select only few for the purpose of continuous seed supply or continuous seed production. uh, Further, in these selected seed production areas, phenotypic qualities and productivities are assessed at very initial stage. That's why they are considered for or as SPA. If the things are not as per standard, uh, like their volume, height, canopy, or branching angles, or various other desirabilities, then it could not be considered as SPA, or it could be discarded as SPA, even if we selected it as, or deformed, or other type of trees could find in later times. The main activity in the SPA is the selection and thinning of poor average phenotypes. These poor or average are categorized as deformed, damaged, short height, unhealthy, commercially aged type of trees, and these would be removed in continuous operation. And the retained trees in SPAs must be healthy and vigorous in growth, form. Uh, they should be free from buttressing, knots, disease, and must giving higher yield of seeds on regular basis. Then only be able to be there. Sometime some healthy trees are also removed because of the spacing purposes, as the trees in this case the trees those are more older will be uh, removed in that operation. If the trees are as per standard, if they are less than 10 year, then those will also be removed, or if the trees are more than 35-year old, then those will also be removed, and middle aged trees will be retained therein if it is chance to remove healthy trees from that stand for the purpose of that spacing, to 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 have proper nutrient and light penetration in the trees for good flowering and pollination and seed development also. Sometime average individuals are also removed, as mentioned earlier, to help in opening up of the canopy of good trees to allow maximum pollination and seed production. Okay. Further, the adequate protection should also be provided to SPA from fire, wild animals, and theft also. The spray of insecticide, fungicide, herbicides also be carried out to check the undesired undergrowth, to avoid the unnecessary competition for nutrition, for moisture, for space, or for light also. Okay. And sometime manure and fertilizer application may also help to increase the seed yield, or sometimes flower and fruiting may also encouraged by the use of hormones or fertilizers. The area of SPA must be uh, covered or protected by other tall nature species to avoid the possible contamination from nearby average or poor individuals of the same species. And it is assumed that by treating this SPA just as prior stage, all the needful uh, silviculture practices or management practices should also be carried out on these, because they are also giving the vigorous seeds or quality seeds. If there is no seed orchard in vicinity or in that locality, then these are the ideal place to have seeds, though they do not be uh, genetically proven, but are having the quality seeds as per their phenotypic characters. Thank you.